Every time I don't think I need the Ridge Pro, I end up needing the Ridge Pro. And then when I think I need the Ridge Pro, I don't need the Ridge Pro. So I just found it's always best to bring it along just in case. We're on a re-inspection. Insurance company already issued a repair for this roof. I believe it's a 20-year 3-tab. I was thinking about doing a double pull, but that section over the garage is metal and I do not want to slip off. It's been raining recently, so who knows if it's still a little slick. I think the safest route, luckily, is back here. Easy access. I'm gonna guess this one is, go ahead and put your guess down in the comments. I'm gonna guess this is a 1012 on the back. Yeah, this is gonna be a fun one. I think I will bring the Ridge Pro up, but let's go ahead and get this situated first. I had to reschedule a bunch of stuff yesterday because of all the rain. So luckily, rain has subsided a little bit. Let's see, what do you think? Last chance, put it in the comments. What's the pitch of this baby? And we've got a, yep, 1012. 1012, I'm good. I keep forgetting, I need to get some type of sling for this thing. Sling it up here, sling it up here. And just put it over my back. A lot easier to carry. Yeah, when you're climbing, having any little extra bit of grip, something to hold on to, is helpful. For sure. But even if it's just the chimney right there, just, you know, grabbing on with your tippy toes. Bang, bang, easy peasy. Oh man, I'm loving this new pitch hopper. This smaller one, oh. So much easier, so much easier. Love it. Okay, cool. Now, you see, nice little grip, and we are safe. Here we go. Oh yeah, this right here, that's a Widowmaker right there, boys. On our roof, no bueno. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got wind. Don't smell down that pipe, that's disgusting. Grab onto this and dun, 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 dun. We're connected. So let's assess what we got going on over here. Whenever I climb a roof, I just want to get to the very top of the ridge and just look at everything we've got going on. You can see some of the markings already from the previous contractor, or the contractor. I'm not sure who actually did these markings. Looks like they looked for hail. Is this hail? Let's see. That maybe. Maybe. I'll assess everything to see. The thing with hail, you got to feel it. It's got to be like a soft bruised apple for hail. But I'll take a look and see if I believe this is hail. What is that? Is that just oh, the things we find up on roofs. That's funny. Some type of patch repair or something. It's a architectural shingle. Maybe there was a hole there. What's up, dude? Ladder's in the back, bro. Feel free to use it. Yes, sir. It is super hot, guys. Super duper hot. Whenever you put your pitch hopper and just hanging out, make sure you're not covering any wind, because you never know. That one piece of wind might be the only thing from a repair to an approval. Looks like they found 6 possible hail hits. Let me confirm. Yeah, it's soft to the touch. Soft to the touch, bruise. So hail's so subjective. This, I consider that blistering. I don't think that's hail. It felt way too sharp to me. But there's a weather report that supports hail, and the hail feels soft to the touch. Go for it. Now, if there's no weather supporting hail, don't go for it. This right here says mechanical in nature, not wind. Look at this. This is crazy. What a crazy patch repair. All right, comment section, let me know. Did I miss any? I'm gonna dock your pay if you miss damage. Let's see. So here, these are 3-tab. So if you've got them like consecutive, what? I can't even, I'm so overheated I can't even talk. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I'm about to pass out and melt up here. I feel bad for some of these inspectors. They have to wear long pants, which absolutely sucks. I don't know why they make them do that. I guess it looks more professional, but screw that. Whenever we hire field inspectors, I will never make them wear pants, ever. They gotta wear something. Not gonna go out and inspect in underwear unless it helps get more claims bought. I'm not sure why this claim got a repair issue. There's wind all over the place. Comment down below, what carrier do you think this is that issued a repair with such widespread wind damage? Really cool inspector. We got plenty of wind here. 36, about 36 on the back, 24, 42 on the front, 16 on this side of the gable, and 5 over here on this side of the gable. Some of this hail can be iffy. We took photos of it for consideration. If the adjuster comes back and says that's not hail, I completely understand too, but hail can be so subjective. I'll have to take a look and see if there's any weather reports to support hail. If there's not, I won't consider it hail. But this slope right here just completely got destroyed. And of course, we've got our evidence here for the failed ATR. Climbing a roof can be daunting for sure, especially if you've never done it before. After a while, just kind of becomes second nature. And by all means, I am not the best climber out there. If you're new to climbing roofs, you're going to become an adjuster, public adjuster, insurance adjuster, inspector, ladder assist, whatever, contractor. Just take your time. It's not a race. Don't try to make yourself look cool in front of anybody. That's just how you just get hurt.
I have one more question.
Yeah, brother.
You know about what 6-inch gutters, what's a good price for them per linear foot? Because my grandma was asking.
Let me ask my contracting buddies. I'd be lying to you, brother. So text me. You got my number?
Yeah, is it the one that I text over?
Yep. Text me on that. Just ask the question. I'll ask around for some different contractors, get you the best price.
That'd be awesome.
Yeah, brother, for sure, man. Absolutely. I know a lot of people out there that are more seasoned. They'll just say, hey, just face forward, climb on down. But I'm not that seasoned yet, so that makes sense too. Face where you're going, because you never know if you're not paying attention, you might run right into a pipe boot. That should not be fun. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and slide this down right there. Easy. And then use this chimney to shuffle my way down. Do not step on that loose shingle, because you're gonna be flying down. And there we go. We made it. Next, what I like to do, take the shingle, make sure your client's not below you, and down she goes. Pitch hopper's super light, so that can be tossed as well. Guys, I am soaked. Oh no. I can't wait to get back in the car, grab me a Gatorade, and hydrate, because this is no joke. 90+ degree weather is not fun. Not fun at all. All right, shingle sample right here for RLS pickup. Let's put this stuff back up, and away we go. Pretty successful inspection, if I do say so myself, other than being a tad bit dehydrated. But that inspector was super cool. Having good rapport with folks is super helpful in any business. I know there's some inspectors out there where we don't have a good rapport just because they're jerks. I mean, just like any business, there's jerks out there, right? There's definitely been times where we've dealt with insurance adjusters or inspectors, field inspectors, where you automatically knew that they were biased. Anything we tried to say, they either ignored or said the exact opposite. Like clear wind damage to the roof, they say, oh, it's just granule loss, you know, wear and tear. Clear hail to the roof with, you know, 1.25 inch damage, storm, I'll say, oh, just blistering. You know, that's when you know, all right, this is not being treated fairly. We need to possibly file a DOI complaint or something of that nature. And you know, it happens. It's always best to come at it with an open mind, be open, give the benefit of the doubt. Everybody's just trying to do a job. If you go into it thinking everybody has the best possible intentions, then you're gonna do well in this type of industry. I'm gonna go ahead and do my water trick. I should be melted here. Oh, my wife actually helped me out. She's the best. So she uses this bottle of water, just reuses it every time. And here's the trick. It's nice and cold. Open this sucker up. Boom. Just pour the water on the towel. Get it nice and drenched. Perfection. Guys, it is hot. It says it's only 86 degrees, but I'm under a tree. It's a lot hotter up on the roof. All right, well, successful inspection. I'm gonna go ahead and head on to an ATR. One last ATR I got to do, and then my inspectors out there, adjusters, contractors, you know that first sip of ice cold water when you get back in the car after climbing a roof, you know how good that feels. All right, on to the next one, guys. Let's do it. See ya.